Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to send documents on WhatsApp. Why would you want to know how to send documents on WhatsApp? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp and not sure how to send documents on WhatsApp. So today I am going to show you how to send documents on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Sending documents on WhatsApp is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open WhatsApp. Now, if you are willing to send a document, select a chat you want to send documents. Now here in bottom right side, you are seeing different buttons and also there is a link icon. Click on it. Now you are seeing document icon. Click on it. You can simply search a document by pressing search icon or simply click on browse other docs. Click on three lines at the top left corner. From here you can select the document and then click on send. There you go. If you wanted to know how to send documents on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.